Hello, my name is Jonathan de Vanderbilt, and I am pleased to introduce a family assistant opportunity based in Tribeca, New York City. A private, tech-oriented family of three is seeking a highly capable and hands-on professional to oversee the smooth running of their household while providing dedicated support for their school-age child. This role combines strong administrative responsibilities with practical day-to-day household support. You will be responsible for managing schedules, coordinating logistics, and ensuring the home operates efficiently at all times. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.